Hello. We are proud to present you the 1981 full 3D flight double horse helicopter. It's in charge and it's getting charged and we're getting prepared. I'm the pilot and here's the co-pilot who is shooting the video.
Okay.
Would you like to ask some questions about it?
So will you be showing us some, have you seen the movie, Indian movie, The Burning Train?
Yes sir, I've seen it.
So what was the mistake which Danny DeZongpa do while on boarding the train? While helicopter?
While boarding the helicopter, yeah. So they took the helicopter too near to the burning train.